Who is this man, Maya?
This is Ryan, my manager. We need to talk, Daniel.
Hey man, let's all just be adults here, okay? Don't talk to me. This is between us, Maya.
Daniel, I want a divorce. I'm sorry, but I do.
She's been unhappy for a long time, man. It's done. I made dinner. I thought tonight would be different. I hope you find what you're looking for out there. I never stopped loving you. Not even once. I was not broken. I was just being rebuilt.
Where has this been hiding all your life, Daniel?
I think pain opened the door for it, actually.
Good pain makes great actors. You know that now.
Every scar is a story. I'm gonna tell mine.
Maya, we need to talk about the Peterson account now.
I closed that deal. That was my best work yet.
I told the board it was a team effort, not you.
You did what? That was my deal, Ryan. Mine.
That's not how the board sees it. Not anymore.
Ryan, I worked 4 months on that account alone.
You work for me, Maya. Everything you do is mine.
You used me. This whole time, you used me.
I advanced your career. You should be thanking me, actually.
I want my name on that deal. Today. Right now.
Be careful, Maya. You don't want to fight me here.
I tried to tell you. I tried to warn you, Maya. I know. I know you did, Sarah. I know. What are you gonna do about it now? I'm going to build something he can never touch.
Tell me you have good news for me tonight, Sarah.
3 new clients. All from your old work, Maya. They followed me. They actually followed me here.
Ryan is very angry. He's telling people bad things about you. Good. Angry men make a lot of noise. Let him. Are you scared at all? Even just a little bit?
Yes, but scared is not the same as stopping.
They said I had nothing left to give the world. They were wrong. The pain gave me everything I needed.
Daniel? Oh my god. That was you up there?
Sarah? You work with Maya. What are you doing here?
I come every Friday. I had no idea it was you.
How is she? Is she okay? Don't lie to me.
She's working hard. She started her own company now.
And Ryan Cole? Are they still together or not?
No. He showed his true self finally. She left.
Good. She deserves better than that man always did.
She thinks about you. I know she does, Daniel.
It's too late for thinking, Sarah. We both moved on.